Hello, Mamshis and Titas. This was taken on Sunday while we were at Binagyo. It's all about ugas sensation and ramen noodles, mukbang with my family. Simple life is always the happier life. Lahat ng tao gusto maging masaya. Pero sa tingin ko, isa sa mga paraan kung paano maging masaya ang isang tao ay yung mamuhay ng simple. Simple lang kung ano ang meron ka, masaya ka, you make the most of something. Hindi ka mahirap pasayahin dahil simpleng bagay na appreciate mo na. Hindi ka naghahangad ng sobrang bagay kasi kontento ka. You find happiness even in small things. Hindi kailangan na hanapin pa ang kasayahan kung saan-saan dahil nasa harap mo na. Naman maganda na magkaroon ng simpleng pamumuhay na at ma-realize mo hindi mo kailangan ng sobrang daming kayamanan para maging masaya. Hindi material na bagay ang sagot sa pagiging masaya. Simpleng buhay kasama ng pamilya, maayos na pamumuhay, nagagawa mo ang gusto mong gawin na walang natatapakang ibang tao, yun ang masayang buhay. Living a simple life can also have a positive impact on mental health by reducing stress and anxiety associated with the pressure of modern living. One can experience a greater sense of calm and contentment. Moreover, when individuals are less focused on material possessions, they can focus more on cultivating meaningful relationships and experiences. It is a reminder that the happiness cannot be found in the accumulation of material possession, but rather in the simple pleasure of the spending time with loved ones, enjoying nature and finding contentment in the present moment. Simpleng buhay is a celebration of a simple way of life where happiness is found not in the pursuit of wealth,